Okay, I finally arrived here at Mindfield, which is right behind me. And that is OriginaldoBo's Cinewhoop flying around over there. He's about to land it. And I think I see Fly Natural over there. But look at this place. This is pretty amazing. Lots of stuff to see up there. How was it?
Dude, it's awesome. There's a lot of wires. If you're flying analog, you're gonna lose some stuff today.
Yeah. What's up, Roosevelt? Good to see you, buddy.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm doing great. Doing good. I like that. Gryffindor.
Thank you.
I guess you were chosen by the sorting hat.
I
huh?
sure was.
Gonna walk through the minefield here. Ken is escorting people across the gorge.
I'm gorgeous.
You are. Wow. That was real funny. How's it going?
Hey,
What's
really
your name?
appreciate your channel, John.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, John. Good to see you.
Sure.
My favorite setup right there.
Yeah, I love the controller.
It is the best.
Good thing about it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you got Sean's t-shirt on. That's awesome. I actually don't have one of those t-shirts. I have lots of stickers, but Sean, what's up with that? You look good in it though. Maybe that's what it is. He knew what I would look like in it and was like, no.
While I have everybody's attention, thank you for coming. Thank you very much. This means a great deal to me. You can't see it, but I am smiling. Thank you. And I've set up a GoFundMe page for Billy Tripp, the creator, the artist. This is called Mindfield. He's been working on it since 1989. He's 65. He's in better shape than me. He climbs this stuff every day. Built this by himself. Not a lot of help at all. And it's a memorial to his parents who passed away. And this is his way of memorializing / grieving for them. And, little fun fact, when he has an arrangement, when he dies, one day he's going to be buried right over there, right on the property. It's approved with Brownsville, so there you go. He puts his heart and soul into this. So if you have a chance, check out the GoFundMe page, which is linked in the Mindfield information page that you guys know about on my website.
Okay, here with OriginaldoBo. He's got his, is that a 5-inch?
Yeah, it's 5-inch.
5-inch with the GoPro Hero 7 on it.
Yep.
Side, yep. And he's got the digital FPV system with an analog module. I am flying the Gep RC with the 4S. And what is that?
Digital though.
6S on there?
4S on this one.
Let's see if we're interfering with each other.
I don't see anything yet.
I'm already on, so yep, I'm good. All right.
Nice save.
Who wants to meet me?
Come on.
Whose life can I bring joy to?
Everyone you meet.
That's true. That's true. You can do that, or yeah. Pardon me.
Have you met Ashley?
Hey, I have met Ashley. Nice to see
we
you,
met
Ashley.
earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
This is the guy that wants you to meet.
What's your
Yeah.
name?
Jeff.
Jeff, I'm
Yeah,
Kelly.
I'm with SSS Drone, so I'm a big fan.
Nice. Where do you live?
Oh, Atlanta.
Check. Hey, everybody. I just wanted to also get us all to say thank you to Mr. Heron for putting this thing on. I can tell you as a person who's planned events, it's stressful. You're worried that everybody's not going to have a good time or you're going to have bad weather. But man, he put it out there and he did it on his birthday. Don't know which birthday this is. I heard it's in the 50s somewhere. But happy birthday to Ken. So let's sing it. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ken Heron. Happy birthday to you. What do you got there, Mel? You just putting the battery in?
Yep.
They got a little high wing, hobby zone.
Yep.
It's a
Little
Cessna.
trainer.
Is that a trainer?
What channel, Mel? 6.
Yeah, 6 what? Oh, there you are.
Now you should be seeing it.
Oh, and you got FPV on that thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're going. We're going. Oh, it's like we're really going. Jesus. We're up. This is like we're in a plane. This camera's really good, Mel.
And it's on. Oh, flippies? Look at the sky! Wow!
Nuts.
Yeah, he's got an FPV. They're watching
You
it.
can fly, like if you had God, you can fly. Is that rotor not spinning? Are we descending?
All right, Mel, taking him for a little ride.
I feel like we're almost at Walmart.
Suppose I get you flying in an airplane.
There you go. Can you see that?
Oh man, look at here. What the? Man, that technology is bad.
Ken Heron.
Yes, sir.
First of all, it's your birthday.
It is.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You look good for your age.
Yeah, 65, like everybody says.
Yeah. Well, you can start collecting Social Security and all that stuff. So what? 54. Yeah, he wants to add an expletive to the end of that, but just add it yourself. So what's going on here today? I mean, there's lots of people here in this parking lot. There's lots of big metal objects over there. What's going on?
What's going on today is so many people drove from so far away to be here to fly at Mindfield in Brownsville, Tennessee, and to hang out with me on my birthday. It means a lot.
Sir. It
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
What a good birthday, man.
It is.
I would be pretty psyched. So
Yeah.
what is this event called?
Well, it's tentatively called the What the FPV
I like that.
Mindfield Meetup.
Yes.
Think we should do it next year?
I think we should. So
I
Ian,
need one.
where did you come from?
Illinois.
Illinois. And what type of drone do you like to fly?
FPV.
FPV.
Racing drones, 5-inch.
Nice.
I'm really a whoop guy, but I
Okay.
do like the 5-inch too.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
whoops are awesome.
And so tell me, did you fly around in here?
I did.
What did you think?
Oh, amazing.
It's pretty awesome,
This is
isn't it?
probably the coolest spot I've ever flown.
3, 2, 1.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. I'm recording.
I took a
All
whole
right. Jeff, do you mind if I put you on my channel?
No problem.
All right, this is Jeff. What do you have to say to the Ready Set Drone audience?
Well, that's awesome.
You always have to have something ready in your hip pocket.
Yeah, like a joke. You got a
Like a
joke?
joke?
Yeah, a drone joke.
A drone joke.
You know I don't know jokes.
I got a joke.
You got a joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
D's.
These who?
D's nuts!
Wow. He went right for the nut joke.
He's awesome.
All right, good to meet you, man.
Hello, Kelly.
Mel, what are we gonna do today with those planes?
Drive, dude.
Oh, you brought
the plane?
Yeah.
You're talking about the P-51?
Yeah. We're
We're gonna dogfight.
Yeah.
We're gonna dogfight.
We're gonna dogfight.
Right over this parking lot here.
I think that's a good place.
See how we can do.
Yeah. Yep.
They're foam. If they fall out of the sky.
And we'll put them in. We'll just leave them in stabilized mode.
Yep.
That way we can easily fly them.
Yep.
And we'll dogfight them.
All right. Hey Mel, you have some Velcro.
What a cute little GoPro.
So Mel over there and I both have the same plane. we are going to do a death match above the parking lot and see who can take the other person down in the air. So the rules are, there are no rules. Those are the rules.
Is this for real? This is for real? What's happening right now?
Yeah, for real.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay, everybody. Here's what I got going on.
Kelly's gonna dog fight
Kelly has
Mel.
challenged me to a dogfight with the Mini Mustang. Now,
just for the record.
So I've got odds on. I'm gonna put odds on Mel because I think
I would bet on Mel.
I'm gonna put odds on Mel.
I'm
I think Mel's a little bit more aggressive than Kelly, but you never really totally
and you're in
rule out an
stabilized
underdog.
mode, right?
Yes.
You ready to fly?
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
The very first
Dog
fight. All right, and whoever falls first, that's it. You're done. That's it.
Boy, we got an audience.
You're done.
You ready?
All right, here we go. Mel's up in the air. Kelly's circling. We've got a death match. It's on, ladies and gentlemen. I see Kelly's going in for the kill. Oh, near miss, near miss. My God, it was unbelievable. We got who's playing is who?
I'm on the right.
Know.
I'm on the right.
All right, he's on the right, but they're both on the right. Oh my God, they're circling, they're spiraling. I don't even know who knows who is who. Oh, shit! He's down! He's down!
Oh.
It's over! It's over!
What happened?
Hit the
wire, not my problem.
Down by power line.
All right.
Kelly's just circling for taunting. He's
That's
taunting
right.
him. My God, look at him. He's straggling his wings. Just taunting him away.
Get a low buzz the
My
crowd.
God, he's gonna low buzz celebration with the fire. My goodness. I wasn't even challenged. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is why I bet on Kelly.
Right. Oh,
Wow, another near miss in the power line.
Yeah, I'm taunting the wire
My God,
now.
this place isn't a safe
Taunting
place
the
to
wire.
fly. This is not safe. He's just coming around, coming in.
All right, I'm gonna see if I can catch it.
Let me see if he can get back in.
See if I can catch it.
I am so nervous.
Oh, he's down in. Down and in. Zero damage.
Okay, maybe it'll stay on.
All right, props are on. Props are up. Gentlemen. All right, they're off. They're off. Dog fight. The drone is up in the air. The drone is up in the air. Okay, they're circling. The death spiral. I don't know who's who, but this is exciting.
Oh, wow.
Somebody's doing the loop-de-loop. He's going in for a kill. He missed. Another near miss. Another near miss on the power line. My God, exhilarating. He's coming down. You're playing with fire on that power line. Oh, he's done.
Sad.
It's on the crane. Wait, no, you gonna get it? I can get it.
I'll get it, man.
You're like 15 years older than me.
Get out of here.
Ken's gonna get it. If he dies on his birthday because of me. Here, let me spot you.
That's all right. I know where the foothold is. Is it your drone that's up here?
It's not a drone, it's a plane.
We got Skyview 8 in the air to the right.
Hey, would you look at
There it is.
again while you're up there?
Yeah.
See a red propeller?
Yeah.
All right, that was good.
Is it red?
It's a red propeller. You may or may not be up there.
You're doing great, Ken.
Where's my foothold?
You got
down
one
to your
over
right.
here. Down.
You're doing great, Ken.
Yeah,
You're so agile.
Oh, stop it. I can still climb a tree if I wanted.
That's pretty good for 60.
Yeah.
Shut up.